Okay, I'm going to try to light up the Beast. It's hard to drive with one hand, so if the camera work isn't worth a darn, sorry about that. Woo! Yeah, that was about half throttle. Well, you can see a bunch of smoke and stuff going on here. That's nothing. All that is my spark plug wire. Just burns. Every time I fire the thing up, I replace the little wire. It's no big deal. Man, I tell you what, this thing is so much fun. It's really hard to drive with one hand though. If I had both hands, I would have cranked the thing up because I was still out of the throttle by a long ways. But this thing brodies out through the lake bed. You can just come flying into a corner at 60 miles an hour and just kick it around, and it just brodies. It's really cool. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and get a hold of me at maddoxjust.com. Come out and play with me. Build your own stuff. See you next time.